Hello, this is Heather from Twist My Stitch. In this video, I'll be going over how to make a Hook It project on Ravelry.com. If you don't have a Ravelry account, I highly recommend it. It's a fabulous pattern-based website that has a vast amount of patterns, both free and paid. It's very easy to use and completely free to get started. I'm working from an iPad. There will be some subtle differences depending upon the device or computer that you are using. Starting here at the login screen, if you need to set up an account, click Create an Account. Then pause this video and come back when you're finished. If you already have an account, simply click Sign In and enter your login information. I'll be going over a few key items that help designers and other crafters looking to purchase patterns. The Hook It projects can also help you in the future when you want to make the project again. The following information can be entered in any order. There are numerous ways to get started. I'm going to show you what I think is the easiest way to link your project to your pattern, where others who are interested in the pattern can see it. From the main screen, in the quick search box, simply type the name of the pattern that you're looking for and click Search. Next, you'll need to click on the pattern to open it. Here you will see all of the pattern information. At this point, we need to click Hook It Project. It will automatically put in a name for your project. You can choose to keep that name or rename it. I'm going to keep it as is and click Create this project. At this point, we'll click on the pencil to edit the project. Here we're going to fill in the project information. Remember, this can be done in any order. I like to add photos first. Click Add Photos, choose Files, Photo Library, Moments, then I'll choose these 3 photos. Done. Then click Upload Now. It'll take a minute for the photos to process. Once the photos are processed, then click Finished with Photos. Next, we'll work on this section here. Your project name, link to Ravelry, and the size made. These are a couple of important areas. But before I do anything else, I'm going to save my changes, just so I don't lose my work. Then I'll click on that pencil again to get back into the project. Here where it says Link to Ravelry, this is where you type your Ravelry ID. Then you'll click on your name once it comes up. Next, we'll go to the size made. He's wearing the adult small in this picture, so I'll just type in adult small. Next, we'll look at the About This Pattern box. This box is extremely important to the designers. If you could do me a huge favor and just click 5 stars, I would greatly appreciate it. The next thing in this box is the My Difficulty rating. Do you think that the pattern is easy, a piece of cake, medium, or impossible? I would rate this pattern as easy or medium, depending upon your experience level. I'm going to rate it as easy. Next, we're going to scroll up to the status. When you click on the drop-down arrow, you have the choice of In Progress, Finished, Hibernating, or Frogged. Since we're done with this project, we'll click Finished. Then you can give your project an emoji. Hopefully this made you happy, so give it a smiley face. At this point, we have completed the majority of the important information. I'm going to click Save Changes. You can scroll down to the bottom, and there's a Save Changes button at the bottom as well as at the top. I'll click on that pencil to add some other important information. Adding the hook size and yarn used will help me when I want to make this project again. It will save me time when trying to meet gauge. For this hat, I used the US I9 5.5mm eye hook. My gauge on the adult small hat was 8 stitches by 8 rows, measured 2 inches. You can easily fill out the Pattern for Gauge section by simply clicking on Fill in Gauge from Pattern. and I'll do a quick save. Next, we'll scroll down and add a note about the pattern or about any adjustments we needed to make. Our project is looking nearly complete. Just a couple more things. Let's add our yarn information. Just type in the name brand of the yarn that you used. For this hat, I used Vanna's Choice. After you're done typing the name, you can click on the icon to the right and select from the database. Then I added the colorway. I used the colorway Silver Heather. Adding the colorway information will help you and others who fall in love with your yarn find it in the future. Now I want to enter how much yarn I used. By selecting from the database earlier, the skein information is preset. However, I want to enter the totals instead. I used only 165 yards. Let's take a final look at our project. It looks like we have everything complete. Oh, that's right. I wanted to reorder my pictures. I want this picture to be the first one that people see. So I'm gonna drag it on over. Right now, it looks like my iPad is glitching. For whatever reason, it is duplicating the picture instead of just moving it over. So I'll just delete that extra picture. Just click Save one last time and our project is complete. If you have a video request, send me an email and subscribe to my blog at twistmystitch.com. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and click on that bell to get notified of future videos. Thank you for watching, and now go twist my stitch.